Yes, Mom.
Hey, come play in the snow. Graham, Claire, Annie, come play in the snow with me. Look. Eat your heart out, Eric.
Tell them how much snow we got.
I don't know how much. We're supposed to get 8 to 12.
5 to 8.
5 to 8 today and maybe more tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, let's...
tomorrow.
Cold tomorrow, yeah. Okay. Try to get some photos without making everybody sick with the camera jiggle. This is out back on the deck, and the big circle here in the middle is where the pool is, asleep for the winter. Alright, let's see how spastic I get here. It's not even really cold. 20 something, 28 looks like. Oh, I love the snow. Whoops, moving too fast. Here's the pool house and our big garage. And just look at that snow. I hope you can see those flakes. I gotta get one off the lens. There. Hold my hand over it a little bit. This is looking towards the front of the house. Alright, I'm going to have to walk around, go back through the house. Summer's pretty, but boy, I love the snow. Just got to make sure I stay on the deck and not the pool. Although I'm sure it supports me now, it's frozen. I don't want to test it out. This is our sunroom. Hear the crunch? There we go. The deck keeps on going. And I nearly dropped the camera. Oops! Alright. Nice hat on the cooker. There's our fire pit and burn barrel. There's our sledding hill. See the drifts? On the other side of this tree is our wood pile, if you can see some of it. Okay, now I'm going to go inside and go out front.